edition, basically, beauty shot tayo sa studio. So, kasi para sa akin, pag nagbe-beauty shot ako, kailangan medyo okay yung lighting natin. Yung meron tayong top light saka bottom light. So, beauty edition top, tapos maglalagay tayo ng fill light sa ilalim para to soften yung shadows. Clean lang, clean. Parang clean, fresh, parang magazine style ng beauty shot lang. Okay. Relax lang. Yung right shoulder mo medyo, yan, good. Head tilt to the left side. Not too much, bag mo ng konti. Relax lang, relax lang. Oh, by the way, wag nyo hahawakan yung modelo nyo. If you could direct ng sasabihin nyo lang, it's much better. Unless na talagang close na close kayo sa model. Pero syempre, it's a no-no pa din. Kumbaga, it's an ethic na pag nag-shoot. I'll be shooting half body. Again, head mo balik ng konti. So you have yung para medyo serious na konti. Not too much serious. No smile, no reaction. Okay, good. We're done. Some are close-up, some are half-body. So, tumawa siya. Sabi ko, huwag mo tumawa. So, as you can see sa catch light, so we have yung, makikita mo yung, basically yung beauty dish natin, then yung fill light natin. And then we have yung, na-achieve naman natin yung hair light doon sa likod. So, this is a three light setup. Okay, so, it's a simple pose ng model. So, simple glamour beauty shot lang tayo.